Are you hiding there? Huh? Where's your father? Where are you people hiding?
Elders, I greet you.
Keep your greetings to yourself. Where is your father?
He's not feeling too fine.
Who are you deceiving? That he's not feeling fine? Because he's owing? He's not feeling sick? Go and bring him here. See, if he doesn't pay that money belonging to my brother, that sickness will kill him. Yes. Yes.
You want to connive with his father? With her father?
Connivance. Connivance.
What? Why would you say I connive with my father to deceive you people?
Where's the money? If not connivance, where's the money? Eh? Where's the money? Eh? Go and bring your father now before things get worse. Things get sour. Eh? What are they still waiting for? Eh? They are conniving inside.
Let them try it now.
Okay, just imagine. Look at the pretense.
Ikenga, I am here to collect my money as we agreed. So, watch that. Go in and give it to me now.
Yes, it is true. We agreed to settle it today.
Gideon.
Where is it? Where is it?
I couldn't find the money where I kept it in the house. I looked for it.
Meaning what?
Akukiro.
Meaning that I sold my land at the table. And I kept this money in my house.
What happened?
I kept the money in my house because I know you'll be coming to collect it today. The money. And this morning I went and searched for the money where I kept it. I couldn't see it.
No, when where is the money? Something will happen here if you don't bring that money. Pretense.
Why are you shouting as if I'm lying? I'm not lying.
You are lying. Otherwise, where's the money?
My creditors are waiting for me at home. And that is why I am here to collect this money. Let me have the money and leave this place.
Believe me.
We can't believe you. No. We're not here to waste time, not waste energy. Get the money, let's begin to go. Hey! They are a Shakespearean drama. Even if you were Brutus, you can't deceive us. Huh?
Yeah.
The shit was in those days, not now. Ikenga! Wine. Where's the money? There. I got now. Managoya Kebero. Okabero?
Ikenga. I don't know what you are driving at.
Hi.
But all I know is that I am coming back for that money.
Oh.
If you like, you can fake heart attack. If you like, you can
Lassa fever.
You can fake fever, malaria,
cancer,
typhoid.
You can fake all that. Just imagine.
Let's live here.
He won no, and you are to Salobodo. Where we go? He won no, and you are to Salobodo. I don't want to tell you.
I'm going to be able to go.
Huh?
Calm down, eh? Let me take you inside. You need to rest.
still on this?
Sorry.
Why now? You know my mom must be very hungry now.
I'm sorry. I went to the stream. From there I went to collect the palm nuts Mazin one you caught yesterday. Don't worry, the food will soon be ready. Oh?
Please be fast. Hey, how is Mama? Hope she's responding to the herbs.
For what I've seen, she is. Hey, Zuna. Mama said you paid the money Mazioku was demanding.
Why do you ask?
Nothing, no. I just wanted to thank you now. You know, we have sold virtually everything that we have. As it stands now, we don't have any other thing to sell. Come to think of it, we have not taken Mama to. And that is why when Mazi Oku mentioned the huge amount of money, I was confused. Because I know we don't have that money now.
Yes, I paid. And I hope this will be the last place we're taking Mama to. Because I'm tired. I mean, what kind of sickness is this?
Edo, are you serious?
Of course.
Did you just say you paid the money? Where did you get the money from? I thought Mama... Oh.
Oh, give me one.
What is it? My father is dying.
Your father is dying. What is wrong with him?
This is not the time to ask such questions. Go with her, I know what the problem is. Ego, it's okay. Stop crying. It's alright.
Let's go to your house and know what the problem is.
It's okay. Just hurry, oh.
My son,
Papa.
Somebody came to my house and stole the money I kept. Wanted to use to offset the debt I owed to Ndoka. It's terrible. I don't know whom I have offended. I don't know. I don't know what is the spirit of the dead that came to my house and removed that money. Because I know that Ego Ibo one cannot remove such huge amount of money.
Ego Ibo?
Huge amount of money.
Are you sure you have searched everywhere?
I turned this whole house upside down. Searched and searched.
Papa, you can't just kill yourself for that money. You can't kill yourself because of money.
My problem now is, how do I pay back? How do I settle Ndoka? How do I give him his money? You see, they have been insulting me here and there. Even the Igwe has given a ruling that I must settle before the last market day. I borrowed the money because of Ego one. The mother died immediately after delivery. And I needed money for her funeral and for the upkeep of my daughter. So I entered into debt. Now, you see, I'm ashamed of myself. Because it appears that I don't appreciate somebody who has helped me in the time of difficulty. Where will I get this money? Where will I get this money?
It's okay. God is watching. It's okay. It's okay.
God will provide.
Oh.
God will punish whoever came to this house to take that money.
I have to go now. I want to go and check up on my mother. I haven't seen her for some days now.
Is she responding to treatment?
I really cannot tell, honestly, because I've not seen her. That's why I want to go and see her. When I've seen her, I can now know how she is and what her situation is.
Okay. Please let me be time. Tell her I'll come and see her later.
I will.
Also send me where to Ezini.
I sure will. And do take care of Papa, please. Make sure he doesn't worry too much, please. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Rika, when did you come back?
What is your business when I came back? Do you care? You're asking as if you care. Now I know the type of friend you are.
What have I done wrong?
Oh, you don't know what you did. You don't know what you did, right? Fine.
Okay, it's okay. Yes, I know what I did. But to make her understand my plight. I've not been myself. I've been devastated. My mother's condition gets worse by the day. I have sold land. I've done everything. I'm helpless. I don't know what else to do. I know I should have come for your grandfather's burial, but try to understand my own situation now.
Alright. So, since your mother's condition is not getting any better, what do you intend doing now?
I've moved her to Mazioko's house.
Mazioko. Mazioko is a very good herbalist, no doubt, but he charges a lot. So much. So how are you going to pay since you spent a lot already?
That has been taken care of.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So where are you going to?
I'm going there to see her.
Okay, let's go. Let me see her.
You want to go with me?
Yeah, let's go.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Isn't how is she doing?
She's better.
This is not getting any better. I don't understand what kind of sickness this is. What is this?
Izuna, calm down. You see, this kind of wound doesn't go so easily. Yeah? It takes its time, so it must surely go. Just take it easy.
Sorry, Mama.
Mama didn't sleep well last night. She groaned painfully all through.
Oh.
And you are telling me it's getting better. Where's the herbalist?
She'll be at the backyard.
Please, let's see him. He's coming. Mazioko will greet you.
Greetings, Mazioko.
Mazioko, do we stay outside and wait for you? Mazioko, you're not saying anything. Yes, we saw him. But...
Is it not about what? Tell me now. What did he say? Is there any problem?
No, isn't there? Nothing's wrong. We saw him. We spoke to him. He assured us Mama will be fine. Just relax and take care of her.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Izuna.
Isn't it? I'll see you later. Let's go.
Just take care of me.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine Mazioko? After all the money I've given to that man, yet he could not talk to me.
He just kept mute as though we're not standing there. Eh? I don't care what he's doing, no. My own is that my mother's legs must be healed. Else he will show me that his magic powers.
The powerful and mighty Izuna.
Why didn't you go ahead and slap Mazioko in his house? Why are you disturbing me here? Izuna, what is wrong with you? Are you a Dibia? Are you a herbalist? How sure are you that that man we saw there is around us at that time we got there? Eh? The person we saw might just be an empty body, ordinary body whose soul and spirit must have gone far.
He could have at least acknowledged that we were there. This is my mother we are talking about and I've given him money.
Izuna, calm down. Take things easy. Mazioko is a great Dibia and believe me, he knows what he's doing.
I hope he knows what he's doing.
Those things, those herbs and whatever he uses to kill and treat people might be talking to him at that particular time and he wouldn't want to be distracted.
I just pray seriously that he knows what he's doing. That's my own.
He's doing. Okay? Let's go. Things will be fine. Your mother's leg will be fine. Stop this thing. Let's go.
I hope he knows what he's doing.
Let's go.
I hope he knows what he's doing.
Chisholm, were you able to plant all the yam seedlings today?
No, I didn't, but I will finish it too. Yes.
Thank you very much. No, man. Even no more enjoy. You're always on time. Even no more enjoy. Always on time. Join me.
I don't know, thank you very much. I've eaten. I will actually. I've eaten. Look at good food Chisholm cooked for you.
Chisholm reminds me of your brother. Please thank her for me. She has been trying a lot. You know, she has almost planted all my yam seed.
Is that so?
If you really want you bring the blood.
Hey! She alone did that.
She alone, single-handedly.
Chisholm, I commend you. See, if you do good, good follows you.
Exactly.
Yeah. Goodness attracts goodness. And I'm sure when you get married, your husband will be the happiest person on earth. What he said is true. No. Thank you very much. Go and eat your own. Start eating the rest. Don't overstress yourself. Oh, you have tried for today. No, I won't eat it. What I came for is this. The money Ikinge has been owing. The payment is due. If he can't pay, let him give an equivalent in parcel of land. An equivalent in value.
Dear brother. We have been over this. We have talked about this over and over.
And so what?
Ikenga has no more land to sell. And how do you expect him, from where do you expect him to get?
That's one thing I hate about you. You are too soft for enemies, in short. You are too soft for them. Why do you pamper those who want to suffer you? Those who want to eat their cake and have it. There's no sense in that. So I'm insisting that we must go to him to get that money, or he gives us a parcel of land in lieu. Simple. What do you mean?
So, what is your suggestion, okay?
That's what I'm saying now. I'm not carrying water in my mouth. You know, that's what we'll do. Give me a bit of stuff. Let me take care of myself.
Chisholm.
I don't understand your times.
Emmy. Hi. When did you come back?
Well, I came back a few days ago.
Hope the burial went well.
Well, what do I say? That one has gone. We bless God.
Yeah. So have you seen Izu?
Izu? Do you know that Izu did not bother to come for that burial? I'm telling you. Well, he explained and that one has gone.
Amy, am I not supposed to come too? Please, just forgive us. Biko, no.
You're talking as if I have a choice. I don't have any choice. I'm forgiving him. It's okay.
And me, have you not forgiven me too?
I forgive you too.
Amy!
Alright, let me leave you with your heavy load. Go home. I'm going to check my trap and I'm sure I have something there. Alright.
Take care. Oh, bye-bye.
Yeah. Good again.
Good afternoon, sir. He's inside.
Please, just go in. Tell him that I and my brother are here for that money. Quick.
Che, since that day you came here, my father has not been feeling too well, sir.
Let me warn you, be very careful. We don't want the reenactment of the drama you showcased last time we came. Shakespearean drama. If we want to go and watch drama, we have cinema houses to go and watch those who are shooting right, left and center. Or witches and wizards flying to devour their enemies. Don't joke with us. Don't.
Let me go and call him.
Go and do that without wasting our time. Eh? He won't know. And you are. This is our brother. Eh? He won't know. And you are. This is our brother.
Papa. 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 Ichionduka and his brother Onmovies, they are here for you. Papa. Papa.
Hey, Iche, I have been calling my father and he's not responding to my calls.
Can you hear that? Can you hear what? You've come to play pranks again.
No, Iche, please come and help me check him. He has not been answering me. I tried to call him several, he did not answer. Please come and help me check what is wrong with my father, please, sir.
You can't hoodwink us. We are too big to be hoodwinked. Don't call your father.
I swear I did.
Wait. Okay, you wake up, you mean your father is in there?
Yes, he's inside. But he's not talking to me.
Let me see.
Why are you being soft on the whole issue? You don't want to get your money? Why are you lily-livered?
Let me just see him.
Huh? He won't know why you are Chisalobodo. Huh?
Ikenga. Can I do such a thing?
Check him.
I have checked him.
Papa, please wake up. Papa, please wake up. Papa, get up. Hey! Papa, don't do this to make me say jokes. Stop this, Papa, please.
What is it?
Papa, get up, please. Papa, don't do this to me. Papa, please. Papa, please. Papa, please don't do this to
How
me.
can he die without giving us our money? Huh? No, we won't take that. Won't check it.
Papa, no worry, we'll pay your money.
How can we go empty-handed?
Papa, please, don't do this. Papa, please don't do this to me, Papa, please.
Hey!
Papa, please.
Hey! Igwe no. Enwala jam to sa. Igwe no, enwala jam to sa. No! You must bring that money. Huh? Igwe no. Enwala to sa. Hey! Igwe no. Anyuaro. Tisalobodo. Igwe no anyuaro. Tisalobodo. Huh?
Come, let me tell you something.
I don't want to go anywhere. My father is not dead.
Come, let me tell you something.
I'm not going anywhere. He's my father. He will talk to me.
I know.
Iche, don't worry.
Just come.
He will talk to me.
Come.
My father will not do this to me.
I know.
No, you wait.
Come.
I know my father. He will get up.
Follow me out. Awana.
Did you say you roasted this yam yourself?
Can I go Igbo's voice?
Something is seriously wrong. Something is wrong.
Chimo!
Ego Igbo. Ego. What is it? Papa. What happened? He's dead?
It's okay. Pull yourself together, Ego, please.
You know, I heard Mazioku telling somebody that someone died in Idani's village. I never knew it was Ego's father. Here, such a pity. Has the man been buried?
Yes, he was buried this evening.
Ego Yubo. What of Ego Yubo? How is she?
Her cousin sister came and both of them went to their village.
This is terrible. So, Ego is now an orphan.
Izine, that is life for you. That's life for you.
Hey. Izuna, you have to go and see her. You know, you are the only person she has now.
Yes, I have that in mind. I'll go there tomorrow.
Okay. Hi.
Ego, I'm your cousin. My mother is your mother's elder sister. We've been close right from childhood. And I love you so much as a sister. You know that, right? You said your father lost the money he kept in his room. It is only you and your father that live in that house. How come the money got missing?
I don't know. I'm just really confused. This is so strange.
That means you know nothing about the lost money.
If I knew, would I allow my father to die? Eh? Tell me. See, someone came into the house and stole the money Papa kept. And Papa could not just bear it. He couldn't just bear it.
No. It's okay, oh. It's okay. Whoever that stole that money will have no peace in his or her life.
Man. Why?
No. There's no point for you going back to that house. You're going to stay here with us. Staying lonely will not be a good thing for you. Oh?
Okay.
Don't worry, everything will be alright.
Hey. Oh, Papa.
It's okay.
Why? Why? Why would they do this to us? Why?
It's okay, my dear. It's okay.
Maybe your cousin has her own reason for wanting you to stay for a while. But I've missed you.
I've missed you. But not tonight. I'll miss you.
I can imagine. Isn't it even as scared by you? Yes, she misses you. Everybody misses you.
I miss her too. And
yes, Mama is better now. Stronger.
Uma, you are back. Meet my boyfriend. Come back soon. Okay, I will. You're staring at me like that. My God.
Hey, Nne. Nne.
Oh, Amy.
Ha.
Amy, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
Where is Izuna?
Izu went out. Though he didn't tell me where he was going to.
Okay. So, how is Mama? I hope she's getting better.
Yes, she is. I'm even preparing something for her to eat. But the problem is that she doesn't eat. Even if you force her to, she will end up vomiting it.
Vomiting? This is serious. Have you complained this to Oko?
Yes.
And what did he say?
He gave her some medicine. He also said he would like to see Izuna.
And have you told Izu? Don't worry, okay? Don't worry. Believe me, everything will be fine. Okay? You don't need to bother yourself. Your mother will be back to her feet very soon. Okay?
Thank you.
Right. Go back to your cooking while I hurry to the bush. I will see Zuna much later, eh?
Okay.
Alright.
Take care.
Alright.
Who did you say that boy is?
He's my friend.
I am not. What type of friend?
Ma. He's my friend, Joe.
Is he from this community?
Yes, he's from Indiabo community.
Okay. I know you don't want to give me all the details.
There's nothing to tell.
I hear you. But be very careful. Be very careful, though.
I am.
Please go and check if the food is ready.
Okay, I'm coming.
I know you have something in that your head, but you don't want to tell me.
Did he take the house last night?
Yes, he did.
Did he vomit it?
No, he didn't.
mother's leg is heavy. You can see it's dry.
Mazoku, good morning. Mazoku, I'm greeting you. You asked me to come and see you.
Your mother's sickness is huge, but I'm trying my best to remove all the poison in her system. Vipers are the most dangerous snake.
Mazioku, is she going to survive?
The gods have warned me not to answer to such questions. But let us be trying our best. But if you had brought her earlier than now, it won't be this dangerous.
My sister says she does not eat anything. And even when she does, she vomits everything.
I am aware. But it's because of the poison in her system, which my herbs are cleaning gradually. Anyway, all hope is not lost. Be a man.
Hey, Shineken.
Be a man.
Can we at least make her something like pap to take? Milk. So that she'll have something in her. Mazioku. Mazioku.
Well, Mazioku is a very good traditional herbalist. Let's watch him.
This is the first time I am hearing that a snake spat into my mother's eyes. Everywhere I took her to, nobody told me a thing like this. And since then, she's not been able to open her eyes.
Wait, Zuna. Mazioku told you that a snake spat into her eyes?
Yes. That he's not sure how deep and how much venom got into her eyes. But it's been a problem since then, and I've spent everything I have. I have nothing left on me now.
Well, let's thank God because she is still alive. Yes, that's the most important thing. And I pray she survives it. What type of wicked snake is this?
Ask me, oh. Just ask me, I don't know. Just for her to go to her farm and uproot her cassava. That is it. I don't know whether she stepped on the snake or something. This is it now. I've been on it since.
But did Mazioku assure you fully of her recovery?
The truth is, I don't understand that man. Sometimes he acts like someone who is... like there's something wrong with him upstairs. Could you imagine I was still discussing with him? He started murmuring to himself. I just had to go. I left him and went away before he invoked any kind of spirit upon me.
That man is dangerous, very dangerous. Snake, what?
Easy. I've made up my mind to love you and Ini Edo. I don't want to have any other man apart from you because this body belongs to me.
Edo. Who else has a prettier face than you? Tell me, who else has a more wonderful heart and personality like you?
You know, I want to be with you for the rest of my life. I wish your parents were actually alive to see the kind of wonderful mother they would have. But not to worry, I promise you. I'll be your father, your mother, your lover, your everything.
Izu, I want us to start living together from now on. Because every night I wish I'm in your arms. And when I wake up in the morning, all I think about is you. Please let me come and live with you. Please.
You know I want that too. All the time. But I want to go and hustle so I can raise some money to at least come and pay your bride price. Let it be known that I've done something in your head. Even if we're not able to do the other marriage rights immediately, at least we can stay as man and wife.
Yes, yes, yes. You're always right.
Come. This is the stream of life, where our people all come to make their good intentions. As you and I are standing in here, I pray that our love blossoms. That all the good things we wish for ourselves come to pass. That our dreams and desires be fulfilled.
Should I begin to dance Michael Jackson music because you are greeting me? Ba, boo, boo, ba, Is that what you want? Then even the moons dance. Is that what you want? You and your father succeeded in deceiving me and my brother. After a series of Shakespearean drama. See, when I was in Sapele, I had a friend who was expert in the art of deceiving. That's the deceit your father used to deceive us.
Sir, we did not deceive anybody. The money got stolen from our house.
It got stolen in your house. Where was the evidence of breakage into your house? Are you trying to tell me what used to happen in Lagos in the 70s? When you come to cinema, you see boys entering into... Is that what you're telling me? You are not talking. You're not talking. Let me advise you. Go right there, sell the parcel of land on which your father's house is standing. Yes. If you don't do it, when you get married, Umunna, kinsman will still sell it and offset this debt you're owing me and my brother.
But why are you telling me all of this? I am not the one that is owing your brother money. Besides, my father is dead now. And even if I wanted to sell it, I do not have the power to do that. I cannot even sell my father's house.
But you had the power to organize your drama, Shakespearean drama, during the 60s to deceive me and my brother. So you had the power to do that drama. If it were when I was in Sapele, I was working with a company run by my friend Mr. Pigeon from Britain. If it were those days, I'll just go straight, seek the advice of my lawyer friend, who will come and fight you people with legal terms, like ipso facto, null and void, of no effect, interlocutory injunction. Just thank your stars, it wasn't in those days. I would have dealt with you people. Well, Ogadeba, I just went and bought snuff from Mama Lisa. Ogadeba, what are you telling me? Igwe no. Anyu aru chisalo obodo. Igwe no anyu aru chisalo obodo.
here. My mother, she had a snake bite.
Chineke! Snake?
Yes.
What kind of snake did this to a human being?
My sister, I don't know. We have tried all we could. People said Mazi Oku is a better medicine man. And that's why we are here. We have been watching.
Yay! Don't worry, nothing will happen to her. The same thing brought me to this place.
Are you serious?
I just came back from travel and was told that my father fell from a tree. Hey! It's only God that saved his life, my sister. Eh? Hi!
I'm sorry about that. Eh?
It's okay. Don't worry, God will answer our prayer. Nothing will happen to them.
Amen.
Eh? How is your brother?
Izuna?
Yes, Izuna. How is he?
He's fine.
Yeah. Okay. Let me go inside and see the old man. Eh?
Okay, let me finish what I'm doing.
Okay.
I'll join you.
No problem.
Alright.
Did she eat well today?
She tried.
Ah, thank God.
She tried. Hey, see, Izuna, Mazoku is a good herbalist, no doubt. But I suggest we take Mama to another place. Eh? I mean, this whole thing, how come she's not eating very well? And now Izuna is saying she tried.
Yes, do I know?
Eh?
Emeka, I don't know. I don't know what to do again. But the good thing is that she ate this morning and she has not yet vomited it. She even drank enough water.
Ah, thank God. Hi.
Oh, thank you.
Greetings, everybody. Please, is this Mazioko's place?
Yes.
Okay, I'm here to see a friend of mine. Her father was brought here. I don't know how to locate her.
Is it Jane Onigo?
Yes. You know her?
Yes. She was my primary school classmate. Yeah, she's inside.
Okay, thank you very much. Sorry.
What's your name? Isn't it?
Okay, I will tell her you're the one that directed me to her. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mando.
Isn't it? Who is she? She's our Igwe's daughter.
Yes.
Oh.
She's the princess. You know, Jane was formerly a maiden in the palace. Hey, she asks after you.
Which Jane?
Jane now. Jane Onigo. Obina's younger sister.
Oh, what? She no longer works in the palace.
I don't know. I didn't even ask her.
My dear, I met somebody, Ezine by name. She's actually the one that directed me to you.
Okay, Ezine. She's a sister to our guitar boy.
Guitar boy? How do you mean?
Don't worry, I will explain later.
Okay. So, your father, has he eaten anything? Like, please go to the car and go get those things we bought.
Yes, my princess.
My princess, I'm really grateful to God. What should I have done if my father had died? Eh?
Thank God that he didn't die. May God be praised.
Amen. The herbalist is really trying his best.
Your classmate, I saw a woman lying down. Is that the mother?
Yes. She told me her mother had a snake bite. A dangerous viper attacked her inside her farm.
Thank God. And she survived it?
Yes. She survived it. She said that they've been taking her to other herbalists, but this place seems to be the best. The guitar boy I talked about is her brother.
Ah. Talking about the guitar boy, is it like he plays guitar or is that his nickname?
The thing is that his father used to be a member of a musical band. That was what my father told me.
Okay.
He plays guitar in late Celestine Ogu's band, and probably he taught his son the act of playing guitar, and he's very good at it.
Are you serious?
Especially those old songs you like a lot.
Tell me about it. Like which ones?
I'm not a musician, my princess. Don't worry, I'll take you to him.
Okay.
Those days his father would gather all the children and play for us during the moon play with his good melodious voice. His father was a good man, very nice man.
Is he still alive? I mean the father?
No, he died long time ago. But the son plays the guitar very well.
Okay. No problem. It's well. Snake bite. Oh God. I have phobia for snakes.
Who doesn't? I too. Everybody does. I hate snakes. This is Izu and his friend. Bros, please introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Emeka, and I must confess that you're a very beautiful woman.
Really?
Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you.
Nice having you around.
Thank you, dear.
Jane has told me about your father's body. I'm so sorry.
Thank you. Yeah, that reminds me, Jane. Your father is also here.
Yes. He's getting better by God's grace.
He will get better.
Okay, I beg to take my leave now.
All right.
I'll see you people next time. We are already friends.
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Jane. Guitar boy, where is your guitar?
Who told you about that name?
I did.
Can I see you for a minute, please?
Okay.
Thank you. When Jane told me about your father's mastery in the act of playing guitar and the way he transferred that act to you, it got me stunned. Do you know that now that your mother is sick, that thing can make you happy and even people around you?
Yes, I'm aware. Just that the guitar is no more. It's no longer with me.
What happened? Was it stolen or?
No, it wasn't stolen actually. I used it to borrow money because of my mother's sickness.
You did?
Yes.
How much did you borrow?
What for my princess? Don't worry, I'll get it back. It's not necessary.
Listen, I've seen your mother's condition. I just want to help. That I'm the king's daughter doesn't mean that we have all the money in the whole world. No, I just want to help you. So please, keep your pride aside and allow me to lend a helping hand, please.
My princess, can we talk about this some other time?
No. I want you to get a guitar today or tomorrow.
Is that a condition or what?
Which useless condition? Look, I know that with that guitar, you can be happy. You need it. Even people around you. You know what? You will hear from me. Please, take good care of your mother. Please.
I don't like it at all. Why don't you keep this pride aside? I'm not going to debate with the money. Eh? I'm sure that money is inside that car. Did you want Naira in Echo?
What are you talking about, Emeka? Who told you I'm proud? Do you expect me to begin to lay all my problems to her? I can't do that. It's not like I knew who she was before anyway.
What is your business with knowing her? Knowing her or not, it's not the problem. The point is collecting the money. Eh? And I'm very, very, very sure that money is inside that car. Eh? The princess asked you of the guitar. And you have been crying, you have been lamenting about this very guitar for a very long time. You've been lamenting about it. Eh? Why must you pretend before the princess that everything is alright? Why you know everything is not fine? Eh? Someone that wants to turn herself to Mother Teresa.
Well, she says she will send Jane or one of the palace maids to the house tomorrow.
She will send who and send who? Did you tell her how to locate your house?
Why would I tell her when she didn't ask me?
You see, you have to be sharp, you have to be smart whenever you hear money. Anytime money is mentioned, you should open your ears. Then how is she going to locate your house now?
She'll make inquiries.
She'll make inquiries. She will start making inquiries, and at the end of the day, if she didn't succeed, the whole thing will just spoil like that. Well, let's just pray she keeps her promises. Because you've messed everything up. That girl, the princess is... You understand what I mean by... that girl is... She's charming.
Are you okay?
Didn't you confirm me? She's so... Hey! Na if Karugo no go. If Karugo... If Karugo... What a creep is so good. Did you see the shape?
Are you okay? She's getting married very soon.
Getting married? Oh yeah. Who told you?
Just take what I have told you. In case you're dreaming of getting married to the king's daughter.
But she's getting married. That won't stop me from admiring her now.
Hey, you can talk with your mouth. With your mouth, you can say anything you like with it. I'm just telling you reality.
Sir, the princess sent me to give you this.
The princess?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take her from me, eh?
I will.
Tell her I'll see her later.
I will. I have to go, sir.
No. Why are you in a hurry? Ben, Gio, he's so sweet. Come and join us.
No, thanks. I'm very okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm okay.
You want to go? All right. Yeah, bye-bye. Izu? Is this not a wrap of 50,000 naira?
Out of nowhere. Just like that.
Wait. I want to get something clear here. Did you say the princess is married?
I said she was getting married. See, we have to leave here now. I have to go and get back my guitar. Fast!
No, come, let's finish the
Leave
food now.
the food now. Let's go first.
No.
faces are gloomy. What happened?
Hey, our faces are shining, right?
Yes.
Nothing happened. Isn't it? Go home. I'll meet you later. How is Mama?
Mama is fine. She said she wants to eat it back. So I'm rushing to Mama August's place to know if she can give me on credit before she leaves for the market.
On credit? Please, I don't want you to buy anything on credit from anybody again in this community, right? In fact, who are we owing? Take now.
Easy.
See, my dear, don't bother asking too much questions. Just go and prepare the okwa first, okay? By the time we come back, we'll explain everything to you, okay?
Okay. Ego Yibo had an injury on her leg and she has been in pains.
Who told you?
No, my cousin.
Okay, I'll see her immediately.
Okay.
I'll see you later, okay?
See, you have injury.
Nita. I'll go and see Goibo first before getting the guitar.
Why? Izuna Makagini, see, I don't want the princess to come here and be disappointed. Okay?
How?
You're asking me how? Don't you think this might be a trial? She might give you more things or even help you in a bigger way. Just as the maiden walked in unexpectedly. If the princess is to appear now and ask of the guitar, what will you tell her?
I'm not saying I won't get it. I'm saying let's go see my baby first.
Thank you very
Then
much.
we can go and get the guitar.
Thank you. We will see your baby. Ego Ibo, right? We will see her. But the guitar first. Don't you get it? Yes.
But, Mikao, I don't want to go and see Goibo with this guitar.
Why?
Because she knows I use this as collateral to borrow money. Now when she sees it with me, what would she say? She would want to know where I got the money from. And I don't have explanation for that.
How come I never thought of it? That's true. What do we do now in that case?
I'm thinking maybe we just look for somewhere and hide it in the bush or so.
Good idea.
Yes.
Good idea. So let's think of where to hide it. No, I think let's do it here.
Okay.
Try and cover. Okay. That's better.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine.
I want to see a Goibo. Where is she?
Are you not the one I saw with her the other day?
Yes, it's me.
You are Izin's brother.
Exactly.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Ego!
You're just enjoying yourself.
Come and join me, sorry.
Okay, go on.
Ego! Nebiao, somebody is looking for you.
Hey. Ego Ibu.
Ego.
What happened to you, my love?
I went to the farm to uproot some cassava tubers. As I was using the machete to cut some stubborn roots, I now cut myself mistakenly.
Hey. It has been treated right. I'm sorry, dear. I hope it's not deep.
No, wait. Sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry. This is painful.
Sorry, eh?
It's so painful.
Sorry, my dear. Sorry, eh?
My body is still very hot.
I can imagine. Sorry. Sorry, eh? You'll be fine in no time. That was why I told you we shouldn't take it. If we had gone there, I would not have known what to explain to her.
What is it?
I can't find the guitar.
You can't find what?
I can't find it now.
Guitar that we just kept here a few minutes ago. Wait, let me get it. I can't find it.
Who could have taken the guitar?
Izuna! Hey! Is he there? Hey! 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 Hey!
Mika, wasn't it you and I that...
What type of temptation is this? What type of temptation is this? Hey!
Nduga! Nduga! Huh?
Your brother is not home.
Where is he going to? That's all. Well, when he comes back, you're going to tell him that I have searched my diary looking for contact of seasoned, powerful lawyers. I saw many numbers of some big lawyers, tested advocates, solicitors that I had dealings during the Biafran era. One I found very interesting, but he's old now. But I'm sure I'm going to wake up his brains for the issue at stake here. Yes, sir.
What's the issue?
Well, in 1979, during the era of our great party, Nigeria People's Party, MPP, there were some of our colleagues who mismanaged our fund to the extent that we lost our election in Midwestern region. People like Sir Clifford Ibechukwu, then Professor Ilo Mwanya. You know, they hijacked our party. We lost. Now, I even forgot. I thought I was talking with my fellow political guru. I didn't know I was talking with Common Chisholm. All right. Once your father comes back, tell him to come and see me. But meanwhile, go to Mama Eliza. Buy me snuff. See the container? See the money? Tell her to put in Mezi. Okay, Mezi.
The 15 naira will be enough for you.
Well, I'll be managing until my son sends me money. Yeah.
Since you don't have money, why not keep your diary and forget this lawyer and the high court?
Shut up your mouth! Again. What do you know you're talking about? See, if not that my father died early, I would have studied law, not just in first degree, second degree, but I would have gone to The Hague to study for international jurisprudence. See, during the first coup of 1966, I was one of the boys that said the military must go back to the barracks. We wanted to go to court because of this matter, because they know nothing about democracy. If government was going bad, it shouldn't have come through coup to upstage the constitution, to take over and dabble into matters we don't know about governance. That's by the way. Just go to Mama Eliza, like I said, buy me snuff. Tell her, like I said, to put in Messi. You buy it, you come back, I'll be waiting for you in my house. Huh? Igwe no anyuaro tisalobodo. Igwe no anyuaro tisalobodo.
Who's that?
Good morning, brother.
Good morning.
The princess I should give you this.
Really?
Yes.
Is this a guitar?
I think so.
Thank you. Send her my regards, okay?
Let me take my leave then.
Alright, safe.
Izuna. Eh? What happened?
What happened to what?
Oh, did you buy a new guitar?
No, I did not. The princess did. She sent one of her maids to bring it here.
Wow. Wow. This is beautiful. Are you serious?
I'm telling you, she came. I told her about the other guitar, how it went.
Yes.
She felt sorry for me. She showed concern and then left. Oh. Next thing I saw was a new guitar.
Wow. This whole drama is becoming interesting. Wow.
Rosa eweliwe, Rosa now eweliwe, adurube mulewaka.
What's up?
Adeo, I see Romunisha.
Hey, I don't want that story. Just go inside the group to Jahura. Let's enjoy ourselves.
Every day, Kejahuji, look at this man. Look at this man.
All right. Since you don't have Jahura, play a little. Let me sing along with you. Let me see if I can ever
sing. How much
sing.
are you paying for the show?
Let's just
How
do it a little.
much are you paying for the show?
I'll pay you. Yes.
Adure bomo, adure bomo. Etuka sini yase, onyoma no be happy lo, onyoma no be happy lo, onyoma. Olololo, adure bule bakanwa, iweriwe.
You didn't travel out of the village? Or you went into hiding because of the money your father was owing my brother?
Dear brother, please, we have been over this. Let us go home. Forget about this matter.
Let us go.
Yes.
Go where? Go home. I won't forget it. It shouldn't be forgotten. Why are you saying this? Hey! Why is it that if men see women, they just collapse?
I take an exception to that. How can you say things like
that? You can't take it. It's just similar to what happens in the Bible. Where something saw Delilah and collapsed. I fell. Huh? And you, I'm going to search in the Constitution of all the sections with my lawyer that will bring the two of you in court and expose you. Two of you. Two of you.
Expose us?
Yes.
For what now?
You asking for what? I've been sweating for a long time, fighting over this money. You just came just now to say forget about it. You're asking me, exposing you for what?
Iche.
There's a liaison between the two of you.
Iche, please. Please, I beg you in God's name. Because of my late father, for his sake, please listen to Baba Chisom and just forget this issue.
Whoa. It's been confirmed. It's been confirmed that there's a liaison between the two of you. You are pleading on her behalf, and she is now pleading on your behalf. Tell her the truth. One name worker, Munya iwe jenta, otorasi no kwundi zikukwane. Hey! Igwe no wu anyuaro. Chiselobodo. Tell us what's going between the two of you.
Nothing is going on. I want to answer this matter, and I have already answered of it.
Why are you saying forget the money?
She is not the one owing me. The father who is owing me is dead. So
you were waiting for her father to die before coming indirectly to propose to her. That is it. So that money she's owing you now with her father is now a secret diary. No, secret bride price. Hey!
I did not pay her bride price.
Let's bring the money from her, no. Let's bring back the money. If you leave it, it becomes bride price.
Yo, but how can you be saying this? Leave this poor girl alone.
You're still saying leave her. Hey! Ananum. You don't want them and one day. One day, money I don't know what is a good one. Question as my movie. He went no. Chiso would think can caro. Aji Kalaka Aros in Apota. Hey, ya baba.
It's mine, not yours. You only allowed the poor girl to leave.
Why are you so keen on this matter? Please, have mercy on this girl and forget about the money.
Your father made me very angry by the unguarded statement he made in public in my presence. Even if one can forgive him. What of that irresponsible, just like somebody who has lost his senses, statement he made before the young woman? What of that one?
It might just be the slip of the tongue.
Not only slip of the tongue, slip of the tongue, slip of the nose, even slip of the senses. Yes, Chisom, just go to my place, lift the pillow on the bed, bring out my phone there. I'm going to make a call to my lawyer in Sapele, who studied international law and jurisprudence, to take this matter to court. After the court procedure, your father must be properly prosecuted.
Yes. No, brother. Who is prosecuting who?
You must be properly prosecuted to know how to talk in public, how not to talk. The words to use want to be reasonable and sound, and not the unguarded and uncouth statement you make in public.
No.
Yes.
Which statement did I make? Me? How?
You're asking how? Didn't you consider the fact of her femininity? Fragility of woman. Yet you went ahead to say what you said in her presence.
Did I say anything I missed? I only said we have gotten over this issue before. I just forget about it.
So you can't recall how you said it? Well, in the court of law, it will be proven and you will be prosecuted. So after the court case, you will now learn how to talk reasonably, soundly in public. Not to talk anyhow. The matter will go to court. Please, Chisom, go and bring the phone I told you.
You still want to call your old brave lawyer?
I'm going to call him. It's not a small matter. The idea is after going through the court process, my brother, who is not learned, will now know how to present himself in public. It's a simple thing. Nobody is here to ditch anybody, destroy anybody, maim anybody.
But I lost my money here, and you still want to press charges against me?
Lost your money?
I lost my money, and you still want to press charges against me?
The money does not matter as the case of making you know how to behave in public.
Huh.
See, I am learned, as you know. I want to bring you up. With no harm is intended, please. Chisom, just go. So I can get this recharge rubbish you call recharge card, which if one starts to use, before you know it, it's exhausted. Go and bring it. It's a serious matter.
Are you sure he's around? I don't know. Izunna!
Who's that?
Biara, Naya, there go.
Jane!
Good
My princess, how are you? Fine, though. Let me get you a seat.
Thank you.
Sit down.
Thank you.
When did you come back?
Yesterday. I don't say that you didn't ask for me.
I've been asking after you since.
Okay, now.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
And what do I offer you?
Music.
Music. Please, what do I offer you, Jane?
Same thing. Music.
Oh. People are not serious.
Yeah.
Sorry, my dear, what do I offer you?
Music.
Did you plan this?
Please hurry up.
Okay, let me get my guitar.
Okay. Trust me. Thank you. I'll dance.
Okay, so what do I play for you?
Any sweet one that you taste. Give us your best.
Okay, let me think of something.
Adora wanyi
Adora Nobody
Okura no do me ya de do why di manu to why Nobody Ani ku ane me Nobody le bunare kele Nobody How was it?
Fine. Izunna. Izunna, what is it?
Izunna. What is it? Mama.
Mama did what? Mama did what?
What is it?
Mama is dead. Mama is dead. Mama is dead. Mama is dead. Oh, Mama. Mama. Hey. Mama! Why did you leave me off?
It's okay. Stop crying. It's okay. Stop crying.
Mama!
Stop crying, okay? I'm so sorry. It's okay. Please, be a man. Please.
We need to go to Uncle's place. Please, I'm sorry. Stop crying.
Hi.
Let's go.
My mother gone. My mother.
Give me my car key,
No.
yeah? When you get to the palace, tell my father that I went somewhere.
Mama, why did you leave me? Why did you leave me? Mama, hey, 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 hey.
It's okay. The woman is dead. Even if you cry from here to Umunze, she is dead. Wipe your tears. We'll be cool.
Ma, I'm not crying because Izuna's mother died, but because this woman suffered. She suffered so much. Do you know that they sold everything they had? Yet she still died. She died. I know how much Izuna spent at Oku's place. Hey.
Sometimes, life is just meaningless. Please get hold of yourself. Okay.
We all had hopes. High hopes. That she'll be healed at Oku's place. Oh, this knife.
Mazioku is just a human being. The snake bite was too deep. I heard the snake spat on her eyes too. I told you that day we went to see her that her survival will be through the grace of God only. I don't know why people put so much hope on human beings and forget God, who is the real healer. Mazioku is a human being. The supreme healer is God. God is the supreme healer. Oh, there's nothing we can do about it. Oh, just wipe your tears. It's okay. Come, let's go and sleep.
Kai, there's nothing in this life, nothing.
Please, you have to stop crying. You cry yourself to sickness. Please, let's go. Let's go and sleep.
My princess, I want to thank you for everything you have done for me. Honestly, I don't know where to start. I don't know what I could have done. How could I have carried out my mother's burial if not for your assistance? Thank you very much.
It's okay, so you don't need to thank me. I gave from my heart. I really didn't have. I only know that you have spent a lot for your mother's sake. I lost my mother, so I vow never to see a mother cry. So don't mind me. Everything I gave was from the depth of my heart.
Thank you. Thank you very much, honestly. How come your father, who is the king, is not always around, especially in this kingdom? Why is that so?
Do you want to see my father now?
No, I don't want to see him. Just that I hear people talk about him a lot. I haven't met him and the way he rules this kingdom.
Okay, my father and his brother were at loggerheads about the kingship of this kingdom. Finally, my father got the throne, but his brother is doing everything possible to tarnish his image. Though my father is equally a businessman, he goes from time to time for his business trips.
Okay.
Yeah, but that doesn't, as in this village, I shouldn't be saying rubbish about what they don't know. You know what? Let's go to the palace. I want to introduce you to my father. Okay.
Introduce me to him as what?
Let me think. As the king's in-law.
What's it, Tikwano? How can you introduce me to him as his in-law? Okay, you think if you mention that word in-law, I'll begin to shake. I want to go see him. You can't fool me, my princess.
Is that an insult or what?
No. How can I insult you? How can I insult my one and only adorer? My princess. It's not an insult.
Okay. So why did you say that I was playing with your brain?
Because, well, Jane already told me you're getting married very soon.
Jane! Oh, I'm going to kill her. Don't mind Jane. The truth is that I have a suitor. Yeah, but he's not from our community. But my father advised I marry someone from our land. You know, as his only child, it's good I marry from our community.
And you are heeding his advice?
Yes. Well, let's forget that topic. So, play.
Play for you again? Okay, what song do I play for you this time?
You know what I like. Anything
I don't know
special.
what you like. You never come up with any song. You only ask me to play, so you give me a track today. All right, there we go.
Monkey won't be like him master here. He take his shaving stick, he shaving beer, he rubbing powder, he look for me road. He say if I'm past master, he take him motor key, he sit down for motor. Now he see one fine woman, he want to strike the woman. The lady run away, he begin pursue her. Everybody come and save me from monkey wahala. Everybody come and help me from monkey wahala. Oh yeah, yanga yanga. Oh yeah, yanga. Oh yeah, yanga yanga. Oh yeah, yanga yanga. Oh yeah, yanga. Oh yeah, yanga yanga. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yanga yanga, oh yeah, yanga yanga, oh yeah.
Johannes, I don't like what is happening in our universities these days. I don't.
Our universities?
Yes, Your Highness. My son called me and said their lecturer is mandating them, forcing them to buy 10 different novels from 10 different authors.
Is anything wrong with that?
Everything is wrong with it. He said, the lecturer said, that they must all be foreign novels, non-local. Then I asked him, is the lecturer a white man? He said, no, a black man. Can you imagine that?
But I'm sure they read African novels too.
Who told you? When I was in Sapele under a white employer, he told me he would never read African novels. Likewise his children. I was angry. You know what I did? I spat on his face. What do you mean? You're in Africa, you don't want to read local novels, it must be foreign novels with the children. What do you mean? What I'm saying is this, that is not the best way to train our children, forcing them to read foreign novels. What do you have in foreign novels? If it's not kissing in public, it is romance. You touch a woman here, you touch at the other place, in public. Even in plain places like a beach, they go nude. That's what we see in the novels. The worsen the matter, you read about shooting, cause of shooting you don't know. Is that how they want our children to be trained? We have African novels that delve into culture, tradition of the people. How best to train your children? We have writers like Chinua Achebe, King Chukwuemeka Ike, Flora Margaret. What of even our own Chimamanda Adichie, Igwe?
Will never change.
Oh.
We allow the universities to do their own.
No, they should have guidance. In fact, people like us who are parents, who are elders now, should be guiding them. They call us from time to time to organize a workshop about how, after all, it's our own children that they are training, not their own children. And we pay yearly for this training to happen. What are wonderful books like in Google Wafingo? What are things for? What are man of the people? They are abound. They are many. And they are saying they should have to lie low.
Yes, the concubines.
Concubines! If you understand what I'm saying, you're trying to hide under whatever. I mean, what happened by them? I see. What happened by them? Our children should not be left to go astray. This will be brought back to our own culture, our own tradition, through local novels. Because
the truth is that Adora has a very good heart. The things she has done for me, I don't even know how to say them. She has a good heart.
Jay, my point is that Izuna has a girlfriend, and they have been dating for a long time now. I don't want this princess issue to be a problem.
Well, I've told you that Adora has a man who is willing to marry her if she's ready. The problem is from the king, who doesn't want his daughter to marry outside this kingdom.
Oh, you've seen it now? This is what I am talking about. If the king doesn't want the princess to marry outside this kingdom, then the next option is my brother. Chai! Who knows? The princess might be in love with him already.
Are you a fool? So you prefer your brother marrying a nobody than marrying from a royal house? Hey!
You don't understand. Eko Yibo is my friend, and I don't want her to get hurt.
Well, I don't know what you're saying, but Adora has not told me that she's going to love our brother. But if she is, sorry, that girl has lost. Yes, now, it's uncle. I got my black.
So, that is all about love, please. There was a problem too, isn't it? Our children, they don't understand some French. What is it? We can't. That is it. Good morning. How are you?
Very well.
Wonderful. Please come over here. Come and sit down. Nice to meet you. Hi. Your father and I have been discussing about you. Yes, we've been talking about so many things concerning your future, particularly your marriage. Yes. You know you are the princess of this kingdom. Of course. Tradition demands that you must marry within this kingdom. Yes. So that is this man the king told me about that is coming for you. But the truth about it is that I do not think that man is our decision. Yeah.
Hold on, Ichi. Sorry. Is it just you people's decision? Don't I have a say in this? I've known Kingsley for some time now and we love each other. He's from the neighboring village. We have almost the same culture and tradition. Ichi, please, Father, I'll be very happy if I'm understood, please.
My daughter, you are right. But not when it comes to tradition. Oh, so that is it.
introduce you to.
He or she?
He.
Is she from this kingdom?
Yes, Father.
Oh, from this kingdom?
Yes,
that is good. That is the spirit. In fact, I like children who are respectful to their fathers. That's good of you.
Thank you very much, Chief. Father, I'll be in my room and you can continue with the discussion.
That's good.
Thank you.
You're welcome. It's their time.
Izunna, I'm only afraid of Ego Yubo. I don't want her to get hurt. You know women and how they think. I love Ego Yubo so much. So whatever it is that you are having with the princess, it shouldn't cross your shoulder.
Listen to me, I wouldn't be the one to tell the princess that I love her, I want to marry her, which is not even possible, okay? Ego Ibo is the love of my life. As for the princess, she just likes my music.
Okay, oh, I've said my own. Let it end in just being friends. It is Ego baby that I know.
I cannot leave Ego Ibo for anybody. Who am I going to leave her for? Her late parents or who? Nothing will come between us. You should know that. Like I said before, the princess is just a friend.
Okay, if you say so.
Now go and get my food.
I'm serious and you are laughing.
I have heard you now.
I'm serious.
Good day.
Young man, how may I help you?
I'm looking for Adora.
Is she aware that you are coming?
Yes, she is. She knows I'm coming.
Okay, hold on. Let me inform her that someone wants to see her. Right. And your name?
My name is Izunna.
Izunna.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sit.
Wow.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you very much.
Let me fetch my father.
Okay. All right.
Give me a second.
Oh.
Young man, you are welcome.
I greet you, Your Highness.
Sit down.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Your Highness.
Your name is Izunna.
Yes, Your Highness.
I know your father. He was so great in playing until the white man taught him how to play this. You didn't have to play this from your father?
Yes, Your Highness.
That's what I mean. How about the death of your mother? Please accept my deepest sympathy.
Thank you, Your Highness. It is the will of the Lord.
So, can you show me the stuff around the captain?
Oh, Fudidi, oh,
Ezinne!
How are you? I'm fine. You don't seem to be fine at all. Ever since you left this village to your cousin's house. You don't care about your friends anymore. At least you come once in a while to know what's happening in this village.
Chinaza, you're one of my childhood friends in this village. In fact, we grew up together. How many times have you thought about this your friend who lost her father? This same friend who suddenly became an orphan. Since I had no one to lean on, I had to go to my cousin's house. Besides, did you for once come to check on me? No, you did not. And now you are asking me to come and ask you what is going on in this village. Chinaza, if I want to know what is happening in this village, it is very simple. I will ask Ezinne or Izuna. I'm sure they will happily tell me.
Nene Sezoku, are we quarreling?
We are not, my sister, we are not.
So tell me, what has Izuna and Ezinne told you is happening in this village?
Nothing for now.
Are you sure?
I don't understand. What is this? See, Chinaza, please, I don't feel so well. Let me go and rest. Oh,
Cherry. You know I'm your friend. I have not come to your cousin's place. It's because I want to know what I'm seeing is pure. Now I know it's pure. I think I'll tell you what's going on.
What is that thing that is so pure that you want to tell me?
Listen, let me tell you. It's very few of us that know about your relationship with Izuna in this village. The truth as we speak is that Izuna and the princess are in love. That's not all though. In fact, their love has gotten to the palace and the Igwe approves of it. I am going, Take heart.
time. This may just be some silly gossip.
But I told you that I saw the princess sitting on Izuna's laps.
Why didn't you call him? At least you should call him. Let him be aware. Let him be aware that you saw him. Because he can't deny it.
That is just what I want. Let him deny it. At least then I'll know the type of person I'm dealing with. Tell me. What have I done to Izuna for him to treat me this way? What? What did I do?
You never can tell the level of his friendship to that girl. They may just be friends.
Friendship, you say? What sort of friendship would make that girl sit on his laps? My fool. Besides, you and I know that Chinaza does not just talk. She's a champion when it comes to such issues.
Relax. We must find out the truth. Papa's not enough reason for you to sit out here and cry. It's late. Stop crying. Mama will not like you to see him like this. You're crying over a man just like that. What is it? Come on, crying. I don't want to sleep.
Izuna, what is happening here?
There you go, baby. This on your face is squeezed like this. Did anyone annoy you?
Will you keep quiet and answer my question? Who is this fool?
Ego, what is it? Why are you shouting?
Hey, wait a minute. Izuna, who is this thing?
Please.
What gave her the audacity to call me the princess of this great kingdom a fool? I even called you a fool, you are not happy. In fact, you're a royal prostitute. If you dare come close to me, I will feed your eyes with vultures.
Don't worry, don't worry. It's my fight. Izuna, I'm okay. It's my fight.
I'm begging you. This is my house, you know. Please do not do anything rash. I'm begging you.
You slap me back! Slap me! You want to No!
Allow me. Why would they go behave in such a manner? What is our problem?
But I've told you severally to be careful about your relationship with Adora, the princess. But you wouldn't listen to me now. And now, maybe she have heard some rumors.
What stupid rumor did she hear? Even if she heard any nonsense, couldn't she have asked me? Did she have to go and fight the princess like that? Why did she fight her and embarrass herself like that?
Well, the princess slapped her first.
So? Is she stupid? Why would she fight her?
What did I just hear? Who is the girl that dare touch the princess?
Jane, it's okay, I've handled it. Please.
But who gave her the guts to do such a thing? Who is the so-called idiot?
Well, she's Izuna's friend.
Izuna! I am so disappointed at you. How could you? How could you do such a thing? How could you allow your friend to do such a thing? Where is she? Is she here? Where is she? Is she from this community? Where is her house?
I don't know where she lives. Joya.
Since you cannot do anything, I want to do it.
Oh,
Can you imagine? Who does she think she is? We all know how her father suddenly became king. Yes, so she can do this her princess drama for those who do not know her or her family. As for Izuna and I, we have come a long way, and not even that stupid princess can come between us.
That's my ego. I love what you do. Hasimumo Kejuko. Ofunkiji, that stupid princess, want to snatch it away from me. You have to fight for your rights. I am behind you.
Before, what do you think I'm doing? Fighting for my rights? Yes. Can you imagine? Izuna was busy playing guitar for her, and she was just there, staring at him romantically. Tell her right. What would have happened? That's why you are my friend now. Why you? Am I scared of her? Go here because she's coming. For what?
As you can see, I have removed the princess regalia. I want to know who you are. Achakomaka, I want to know who you are. And what gave you the audacity, the impetus to lay this your cursed hands on the princess of this great land?
Please tell me, are you a spirit that I cannot even lay my hands on you like you claim? Tell me, what are you? Don't come here and be claiming princess to deceive people. You can only deceive those people who do not really know you. You cannot use this your princess drama to come and deceive my boyfriend. I am a bona fide citizen of this community. So pack this your princess drama and leave it at Upper Iweka.
And if you don't mind your tongue, I will personally handle you right away.
Who just spoke?
Actually, just because of
See these two slaves, so. Are you not ashamed of yourselves? You are here doing boy after a young lady like you. The same lady that has the same breasts like you do. The same opening in between her thighs like you. Look at this stupid idiot. Hey! As for you, Adora, Izuna and I are planned together. So stay away from him or else what? Tell me, or else what? And by the way, who did the job call a slave? Who else is dressed as a slave here? Please. Who else looks like a slave here? Please. I am let's just stop to this. Please. Let's just stop. Oh God.
Jane, it's not like that. It was the princess that slapped her first.
Izuna, where is she? Where is she? Adora, where is that Ochakomaka?
Adora!
Where? Adora, you fought again? Yes, I fought her. I would have killed her today if not that she ran away. She thought that a princess cannot take revenge. Ochenamba, Ajipota princess, have kept royalty in the wardrobe. I would have killed her today. Look at that stupid idiot trying to challenge me, the princess of this land. Hey! Oh,
wait,
God.
Adora, wait a minute. Did you see her around here?
Yes, we saw her on our way here and beat the hell out of her. She just ran away. It has not ended.
Adora, please calm down. Take it easy. Try to forgive Ego Ibo now. You're not in the same class with her. She's a nobody.
Ego Ibo, is that her name? Okay, we shall say. Even if I will forgive her Izuna, she will have to explain to me what gave her the audacity. Look at that thing. That fat pig. What gave her the authority to slap me, the princess of this kingdom? She must explain it to me.
Just calm.
She will tell me. She slapped me. She slapped me, Izuna.
What?
Me, the princess.
What is going on here? What is it?
I cannot take this.
Say Ego Ibo. She came in here and saw me with the princess.
Yes.
Before we could say anything, she landed her a hot slap. Guinea! Makapriawa! If run away a shift to go.
It's not possible.
Sorry,
Me, the princess.
It's okay now. Sorry.
Oh, stop telling me it's okay. Stop telling me that. Show me her house. Show me her house. Stop this stupid here. Show me her house.
My princess, calm down. Hey, I know you're very angry, but please just, can we talk aside? Please, my princess, let's just talk aside.
Just listen to me.
Please. Okay?
Izuna, you can lie? You said I can walk you again.
If I land you a hot slap now, I will get shift to top.
Why did you not tell her that the princess slapped? Oh, sorry now. Chai. Chineke. Yes, what is it?
Please, I want you to respect your position as the king's daughter. You went to school. I don't expect you to be fighting in the public. Fighting like a tout with that local girl. That's not nice. Yes, Ego Ibo is in love with Izuna. But the fact is that she overstepped her boundary. But I beg you not to hold it against her. Please forgive her bad manners, okay?
Emeka, I am not in love with Izuna. I never had that in mind. I'm only a friend to the family. Is it now a crime for a princess to associate with a fellow brothers and sisters? Is it a crime? That Ego whatever she's called, she should have asked me the relationship I have with her man, and I would have gladly explained to her.
You will?
Of course. And even make her my friend. Okay, let me ask you. That her attitude, is it the best way to tell me that Izuna is her boyfriend or whatever? Wait. You said something. You said she's in love with Izuna. Where?
Yes, of course.
Ah. I see. I see.
Princess, I don't understand.
No problem. Everything is fine, everything is settled. I've forgiven her. But shall see.
Please, one more thing. I don't want this matter to get to the palace. Please.
How do you?
Your father, the king. You know how deadly his reaction will be if he gets to hear this. Please.
Emeka, you don't need to worry yourself. I handle my issues myself. Single boy, one man's home. Don't worry, it's settled.
So I assumed it's settled.
It's settled. Father will not hear. It's okay. Everything is settled.
Yeah.
Yes, I will see you soon.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No, don't do that. Don't do that.
If you are not my sister's child, I should ask you to leave my house. How can you be fighting because of a man? Are you mad? Let me tell you, you have committed a very big sacrilege by touching the princess. And you still have the guts to open your mouth and say it.
But Mama, why should the girl insult her?
Oh!
Is it because she's a princess?
Okay.
Ego Ibo is old enough to have a boyfriend. And she has known this boy for a very long time.
Very long time.
Suddenly, this princess from nowhere wants to come and snatch him.
If he allows the princess to snatch him, as you said, that means he never loved her. When a man is in love with a girl, he will never joke with that love. He will protect her and also protect that love. I don't know what is wrong with children of nowadays.
Are you saying the boy does not love her or what?
It is obvious the boy does not love her. How can someone that claims to love her abandon her to the princess, whom he thinks to be richer or more packaged than her? If it were to be in our days, the girl will simply walk away. It is totally wrong for Ego Ibo to fight the princess. And it is an abomination in this land. She has to go and apologize to the princess before her father hears it. If her father hears it,
Mama, I will not do that. Besides, Izuna is not just any boy. I am never going to apologize to that boyfriend snatcher. I would rather die than do that. What kind of thing is this one now?
Then you go in there, pack your belongings, and leave my house. That is final, period.
I am not going anywhere. You better get to the idea. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. What kind of thing is this one now? Everybody will just be intimidating me. What is that? You cannot even fight for me. I here tell me to go. I'm not doing anyone. In fact, I am here to stay. Do they know where we met? I really don't get that.
Don't worry.
The worst part is that Ego Ibo saw me this morning and did not greet me.
She came to your house?
No. I saw her on my way when I went to see Chidi. She just hissed and walked away.
Ego Ibo. That girl has changed. Her character has changed. Izuna, we must find out what the problem is.
Find out, Guinea. Guinea or who? Me. Find out what? She had the guts to slap a girl that came to visit me, and you're telling me to find out what? I don't have anything to say to her. I've drawn the line. It is over between us.
No. You won't go that far. Okay? That girl is just a baby. And remember all you both have been through.
Is that what gave her the guts to slap the princess? What is wrong with her? What was that for? In my house? She should have found out who the girl she saw in my house was before reacting.
Izuna, your anger is justified. You are right. Like I told you, I have talked with the princess and she made me a promise that she won't tell her father. Okay? Just take things easy. Have you seen her since then?
Who?
Adora.
No.
You should have gone to her house. She must be so angry by now. Go
I
to
know.
her house and calm her down.
I know. I'm taking my time. I want all this to settle. I'll see her soon.
What's this whole thing, eh? Izuna, please, don't leave that girl.
Emeka, please. Don't tell me about Ego Ibo again. Biko.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you. I have some kind of room, but I've not confirmed. Oh, woman. See, I have some kind of room, but I've not verified it is rumor. I want to buy snuff at the usual place. Them some snuff failures we are talking about. A princess that fought a girl along the road of Ofianko. But I've not consulted anybody to find out the truth. A princess fighting along the road against a girl.
In this community?
Yes.
What about the king? Is he aware of it?
I'm not sure he's aware because we were together last night. He didn't tell me about such a thing.
Is it everything that they do with them?
See, Chisholm, I am not only a traditional ruler, a title holder, but the title I got before you were born. I'm also a kingmaker. You won't understand that.
I also heard some people saying it at the street today, that they saw the princess fighting with two other girls, and they even made it to involved.
Then that confirms what I'm telling you. It confirms it. Oh, princess fighting a commoner. Is that strange? It's unheard of. Okay. Chisholm, give brother and brother chance to talk privately. Brother to brother. Yeah. So, how is it going? Is it good? Oh, no, this one is too soft for my life.
My princess, I have come to apologize for what happened the last time. Honestly, I didn't mean for you to be embarrassed in that manner. Deeply sorry about that. Please forgive me.
Don't worry yourself. Like I said that day before I left your house. It's okay. It's settled. It was never your fault. So don't blame yourself. But I don't know why you should be dating a pig, a nonentity, a girl without a brain. She said I'm a boyfriend snatcher. Me, Adora, the princess of this kingdom, boyfriend snatcher. She doesn't have respect for anybody, not even for royalty.
Yes, and that is why I have cancelled my relationship with her. Henceforth, I will never have anything to do with her again.
Are you serious? Like, you're done with her?
I'm done with her.
Listen. It's okay. I don't think this place is very okay. Let's go to my room.
Your room?
Yes.
No, my princess. This is the palace. What if the king walks in on us, or the man who wants to marry you? That will not be a good situation, please. Let's stay here and talk.
Are you done preaching? Izuna, did I tell you that my breakfast has been paid? Or that I'm owned by anybody? Please. As for the king, he traveled. And I'm old enough to invite a friend to my room. So, you don't need to worry yourselves.
Are you sure?
No. This is not nice. This is getting out of hand. Listen, I will advise you to do before you do. Alright? Not all that glitters, they say, is gold. Of course, we know that Ego Ibo erred. But she remains your little girl. Is she not the same Ego Ibo?
I don't even know why you're wasting your time talking all this long sermon. I have told you what is on the ground. I'm not joking. Adora has asked me to marry her and I have accepted.
Izuna, Arodikwagi, that a woman asked you to marry her and you accepted. Izuna, please, is she the one to ask you to marry her or should it be the other way around? Eh? Besides, is it not the same princess you told me has a suitor?
She doesn't have any suitor anymore. Her father has insisted she gets married to a man of this kingdom. That is what is on board now. I don't even know why you're ranting over it.
And what is your problem in all of this? Why are you even carrying it on your head like gala? If you want to get married to a Igbo, go ahead now and stop disturbing my life. What is your own? We are both orphans, aren't we? What? And you, what are you doing here?
I came for us to see.
You came for us to see about what? After insulting my visitor, right? You are nothing but a dirty monkey. And if you do not get out of my compound this minute, I will do something I'll regret.
Izuna! Mind your words! Why are you talking to her like that?
Did she mind her words when she was insulting Adora? When she raised her dirty, filthy hands to slap her? Are you sick in the head? Now let me tell you, It is over between us. And for your information, Adora and I are getting married. So you can go and die for all I care. You are useless to me and your parents.
Izuna, are you the one that said all these things to me? Hey, Izuna, that I am of no use to you and my family. And that I'm useless, Izuna, me.
Ego Ivo, please. Ego Ivo, that wasn't nice at all, Izuna, please. He didn't mean to say that. Izuna, what?
Izuna, you must suffer for all these things you've just said to me. After everything I did for you, you still have the guts to stand there and tell me that I'm a useless person. Well, let me just respect Ezina and Emeka. But don't forget, you will definitely regret this. And you will suffer, Izuna. Don't I will fire you, Izuna.
I will suffer. You came to my house to lay curses on me.
Stop! What's the problem?
Take out what is going with you, Izuna, stop!
Izuna, this is not you.
This is not you! Come and be going to your house, so please. Don't provoke me the more this afternoon, please.
Can you imagine what Izuna said to me? Izuna said that I am useless and that he's getting married to the princess.
Ego, those words were said out of anger. Don't mind it.
Izuna, tell me. Tell me, what did I do to Izuna? What? See, should I have allowed the princess to take him away from me? I saw both of them sitting at that tree. And on that same day, my friend told me that the entire village is aware that Izuna and the princess are dating. That alone broke my heart. And I reacted out of anger.
You are my friend, and I'll never lie to you. Your reaction was very bad. Ask questions.
Questions? Ezina, I saw the princess sitting on Izuna's laps. If you were me, what would you have done?
It's alright. It's okay. Don't worry. I'll never allow Izuna to hurt you. Just hold yourself. It's okay.
Why is Izuna doing this to me now?
Izuna, I said this thing earlier. I told you that. I said if your relationship with Adora will bring problem between you and Ego Ibo, then you should know how to handle it. But you wouldn't listen to me. As a matter of fact, you laughed over it. Now, the girl is crying every minute. A girl that doesn't have a father, a mother, not even a single sibling. Izuna, you this heartless. I can remember how this girl helped Mama when we were in Mazi Oku's place. She baited her, fed her, all because of you. And now...
You shut up and stop talking to me like that. What useless help did she help that nobody else has ever done in this life? When my guitar got spoiled, was she not the one that gave me money to repair it? Even when I lost the first guitar, did she not give me the money to get it? Did she not get me a new one? What is this you're telling me about help?
Zuna, all you said is true. At least I can confirm that. But let's not forget the other good side of this.
To hell with the other side of her. To hell. What is it? Don't I have a right to make a choice? What is the business of both of you in it now? What's your problem? Listen to me. I don't want you to tell me about this girl again. Please.
Izuna is a lie. I say, you better go back to Ego Ibo and explain your so-called relationship with Adora. I don't want that girl to fall sick because of you.
What she said is right.
Emeka, I'm going to the palace. Are you coming with me or not?
I'm coming with you, but Ego Ibo is important. Izuna. Okay, wait. Let's go, wait. Let's come over.
Izina, I'm hungry. Go and get me. Am I not talking to you? I said I'm hungry. Go and get me food.
I thought you said you were going to the palace. Didn't you eat in the palace?
What is your business if I went to the palace? It's like you want to look for my trouble this night, or where? If you do not take your time, I will handle you the way you will not like this night. Go and get me my food.
Ha! Sorry, oh. I'm so sorry. I think a palace is a place where the whole world ends, where you can eat and dine. So how come you're coming from the palace and you're still asking me for food? Eh? Or is Adora not there? Because recently she has become your all and all.
Yes. Adora has become my all and all, and that is the truth. If that is what pains you, you might as well die off. And let me remind you, or warn you rather, to tell that girl, Ego Ibo, not to ever step her feet in this compound again. Tell her I said so.
It's a lie. It's a very big lie. This house belongs to both of us. And Ego Ibo is my friend, and she has every right to come and visit me here.
Dare me.
Oh, what kind of nonsense is this? You have not seen anything, oh. You have not seen anything. Ego Ibo will continue to come to this house, and there's nothing you will do about it. As a matter of fact, I will ask her to move in with us. Izuna.
You will ask her to move in with me?
Now.
In my house?
Yes.
You will ask her to move in this house?
She'll be our
Try it. Try it. And if I don't kill you with my bare hands, no, my name is not Izuna.
Cannot do anything. You have changed a lot. You have forgotten those times you used to call her Ego Bekem, Ego Love, her name, Sweet him. Now she's your worst enemy. Nonsense. Come and eat now. Come on, let me give you food.
Ezine, please, I have come to beg Izu to forgive me. I want you to please beg him to forgive me. I am sorry for everything that happened. Please, Izuna is all that I have. And you are that sister that I don't have. So please, I still love Izuna. I know I overreacted that day. Oh, please, beg him to forgive me, I'm only human. Please,
no, stop. Stop, Ego, you will stop. Don't do that. Ego, you have cried so much for Izuna. It's not the only man in this world.
I love him.
I know that you love him. But still, I don't like the way he's treating you. Just get hold of yourself. It's okay. Yes, I'll talk to him. I will.
Sure.
Yes. But you know my brother is stubborn. He's very stubborn. But I'll try. It's okay.
I don't want Izuna to leave me.
No.
Please.
He will not. It's okay.
What will I do?
Did I not ask you to warn her never to step her foot in this compound again? Did I not tell you with my mouth that I did not want to see you around my house again?
I'm sorry. Forgive me. I'm sorry.
What are you doing here? What is that? What are you doing here? There's something wrong. What are you doing? Please. Are you?
Hey, what did I do? She came to beg you now. Hey!
Oloma!
What happened to you?
What happened to you? Am I not talking to a human being? It's Izuna. Hey! Izuna did this to you. Have I not warned you about this same Izuna? Your mother is no more alive. And I'm the mother you are seeing now. Why can't you obey me? Look at what a man did to you. Eh? Can you now rest? Can you now rest? Yes, Zike. Or do you want him to kill you? Because he's confused. Can he do this to his own sister? Now, I want you to take me to their house. He must explain to me why he did this to my sister's only child. Oh yeah, Mama, wait. What? If I'm not going to take you there. Ego is an adult. As far as she cannot obey you, then let her handle her issues. All I know is that Izuna must suffer for this, so he will suffer for this. It's not because of that princess that I did all these things to me. Okay. Hey! Oh yeah, come on now. Every time Izuna do this.
No, Izuna. No! This is not right. Okay? You have no right whatsoever to lay your hands on that girl. What did she do to you? Did you beat her because you feel she has no brother to challenge you? You beat her because you feel you can? What did she do, Izuna? That girl was fighting simply for what she thought is hers.
That is absolute nonsense. Even if she thought she was fighting for whatever it is that belongs to her, she went about it this stupid way. What gave her the right to slap the princess? In my compound. After having warned her not to lay her miserable feet in my compound again, she dared me.
And that gave you the right to beat her. Izuna, don't forget that girl is a woman. They are called weaker vessels. And I repeat, it's wrong. And you must apologize to her.
Apogeni, over my dead body will I do that.
Izuna.
I will never. In fact, it's over between us. What do I even gain from her?
This life is something else. Of course, you gain nothing from her. It's now the princess that you gain from. I'm aware it will come to this. Okay, I knew it will come to this point. But forget that the same you told me that the princess has a suitor. So be very careful and know when you're tampering with someone's wife.
Nobody's tampering with anybody's wife here. Her father has insisted she's not getting married to any man outside of this kingdom. Okay? So we're not talking about tampering with anybody's wife.
So you are now happy because you now have the chances. Hey. This life. Well, I have nothing to tell you, but before you pinch somebody, pinch yourself first and see how sweet or bitter it is. That is all I have for you.
So long as it's not inconveniencing to you.
Thank you very much for coming.
And thank you for the hospitality.
You're welcome. Okay. Take care of yourself. See you soon.
Izuna!
Do something, hurry up! Hurry up! Get the car! Get the car!
His condition is a terrible one, and I cannot handle it. I will advise you people to take him home and keep an eye on him. Don't expect him to say anything because his tongue has been tied.
Hey!
Give him food and coconut water to sustain his breath.
Whoa.
This is a spiritual case and I cannot help it. Because he cannot even talk to tell all the things that makes it spiritual.
Mazoko, is it that bad?
My hands are tied.
Okay. Let's just help him take him home.
That is the advice.
It's only in Africa and the royal soul, kingship, majesty is regarded as nothing. The black man is always taking things for granted. Listen, when I was in Sapele, under the tutelage of a white man called Mr. Pigeon, I had the privilege of traveling to the whole world, almost every part of the world. I worked with the Queen of England, I worked with the Duke of Edinburgh, even the Prince of Wales. Yes. You go there, you see how respect is accorded to all these things. What is happening here? What is happening?
Hey, Ichopara, what are you talking about? Because you have traveled to the clans and the lands of the world, the Duke of Edinburgh, then you should abandon the traditions of our land. We should do what we should do, Ichopara.
Because I can recall how that cap was given to you. And I'm sure you've not seen the interior of any aeroplane. You have not. See that we are here. You've known me for years. Should not make you forget that I'm a traveler across the globe. Just recently, in a Zumaland, I was given a powerful title where there were the likes of late Nelson Mandela, Steve Biko, even our own power man. They were all there and I was highly celebrated. Who are you to talk to me? If you don't want to talk, you just control your tongue. Is that clear?
Please, we are noble gentlemen. Please, let us do what our forefathers asked us to do by looking for the girl, go for the princess, and stone her to death. Go! Not to history.
That's the point being made.
Now listen. Before you think of him to stone to death, listen. A lot of things have changed. Yes.
In our tradition.
Listen to me. We will not do it that way. I am of the opinion that we should invite this girl, ask her some questions. Let us find out from her if she is an Osu or a foreigner in our land. Yes. Because I doubt if a true born of this land will do such thing.
Please, let us follow tradition. We are here for tradition. Let's get the girl, get her stoned to death. Simple.
And I still maintain that I'm of the opinion that nobody should be stoned to death. Yes. You were a beg of you. Our forefathers did. That was then, during their own time, in their own way. This is a new era. Let us reason like human beings and do the things in a right way. Let us reason like human beings and do things in a right way.
Ikem, this is the highest decision-making body of this land. Our decision is final. We must look for the girl and stone her to death. Period.
Whoever is that girl that had the audacity to touch the princess must be stoned to death.
Yes.
Whoever is that girl, let's search for her and deal with her. That's all.
One more question for you. One more question.
Which question?
Have you asked yourself some questions
to at least try to find out exactly what led to the fight. What brought about the fighting? You've not done that.
Who was there to touch the princess of the land? That was the issue. She wants to be a commoner. Yes. Simple.
I have made my point. Let us be very, very careful. Let us be careful. Trace this matter properly, address it properly. Let us do the proper thing.
Get that girl, turn back to that. Please, please.
We must look for that girl and do what tradition demands of us. To stoop so and then get in such a terrible like fight with a commoner. How could you? And what caused the fight in the first instance?
We had a small misunderstanding, just a little issue, and she raised her filthy hands on me. I had to give it back to her.
And it developed into a fight?
Yes, Father. I'm sorry about that.
And you guess, you stood there and watched her fight. A princess.
We are sorry, Your Highness. Your Highness, the girl slapped Ada for nothing. And that made her to take the fight. We are sorry.
Who was that girl?
Your Highness, I'll really find out who she is.
No, leave.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Don't listen to me. I am extremely disappointed. You have to be conscious of who you are. You are a princess of this kingdom. Such a dignified kingdom. You shouldn't fight. If the matter comes to us, you report to me. I have guards. I have security. They will take action. And not you.
I'm sorry, Father. It won't happen again, I promise.
Thank you. Let it not happen again.
Izuna. Oh my God. This is too much. What kind of sickness is this?
We're all confused. We're all confused. We don't know how this thing came up. We don't know what's happening to Izuna. The funny thing is that he can't even talk. He can't say a word.
Hey! Adora told me all that Mazioko said. Have you people tried other places, at least for more consultation?
Jane, the consultation you're talking about, it's all about spending money for nothing. Just like what Mazioko said. He have tied his tongue so that he cannot say a word to anybody. If this is what life can offer, it's no better I join my parents. No father, no mother. The only sibling is...
No, Ezine, please don't talk like that. Please, he will be fine. All we need to do is to be prayerful for him. Things like this cannot just happen. Something must be behind it.
What do you think is behind it? Did Izuna wrong anybody? What did he do? The more I try to figure out where all this is coming from, the more I get confused. The more I get confused. I don't know.
Emeka, I am tired. I am tired.
Look at Izuna. Look at...
He's fine. What to do? Izuna. Hey. Oh.
When an eagle suddenly begins to pay a visit to the guinea fowl, The genital has one option. To use her sense of security to begin to guard her eggs. Otherwise, there will be danger. Ikem has suddenly turned into unnecessary opposition. And I want to say this, that either we stop him from coming here entirely, or if he's here, we limit his opposition, his rantings, his rabble-rousing. They are all not good for us. That's my suggestion, please. It's getting too much. See, in 1983, when we were in MBB, things happened. I don't want what happened in 83 to happen here, please, in this palace. No, please.
Listen, first, we're not here for a display of a key sort of dressing, as if one is going for wrestling. No. Or telling stories about history, what happened in the 30s and 80s and... No. But go to the point and tell us what happened in 1983 that you just mentioned. What is it that happened in 1983? I'm telling you, stop bringing politics into a meeting like this. This is a palace meeting, you know that. And you know me very well, you know my father. I am a red cap chief. I have every right to air my view in this house, particularly in a meeting as noble as this.
The festival of frogs is always celebrated on waters and not on land.
Not on the land.
We should know that certain decisions are made in this palace and not elsewhere. Ikem, you should also know that a lot of rules still remain as they were. Igwe, we have taken decision on this matter. And let it be as we have decided.
When we take such decisions, it will be awkward for people to still go behind and to go and try to influence the Igwe. No! Right? See, let me tell you a small story. In 1982, when the Ikem back, Newu or the Major came back to his fatherland, with the help of political gurus like a Chobo Kadibo, Chief Alex Ekweme, Ablikiti of Philmond, and the rest of them, I was in opposition. Not the way you are here, but with constructive opposition that was always aimed at the development of right community. Not the way you are doing it. So what I'm preaching is that oppositions will be for the progress of the community, not for itself, not for self-aggrandizement, not for self-ego. No, the way you're doing it is wrong. Please, we have decided that this girl in question should be stoned. Let her be stoned according to our tradition. Please.
Again, listen, Papa, again. Cowards live by side talks. And heroes, great men, go to the point courageously, confidently, at any given time. And who wants to go to the point? Be specific. Who are you referring to?
I can elucidate.
Go ahead and do what you're here.
I can elucidate. I can establish yours. Now, you
yes.
You came. Because who are you? Can you swallow me? Hold on. If you swallow me, I look up in your neck, and there I begin to expand. When I expand, I won't rest until your eyes begin to bulge, until you begin to suffocate and die. That is it. Who are you?
Of course, you know what you cannot give me.
We have decided the girl in question should be brought to book by a story. Even before the advent of Jesus Christ, there were traditions across the races. Egyptian race, Israeli race, African race, everywhere there was tradition. But when he came, he was preaching alongside these traditions. None went for the other. They remained. So in our own tradition, which was there from time immemorial, let us apply it in the case of this girl. She committed the offense. Let her be stoned to death. And something like that.
The guards
I've been instructed to look out for the girl.
Go.
Very soon. I mean very soon. She will be in this palace.
Hey!
With due respect, my king. But I still insist that the girl in question is given a fair chance. I rule you out of honor.
Overruled! Nduka, Ikem is a fool. Ikem is an adulterated fool.
What is it? Calm down.
I'm going to show him. Hey,
calm down.
Shaking the coconut is like shaking himself. I'll show him. Huh?
Calm down. Tell me what happened.
Where was he coming? In 1959. When I was writing my international examination by British teachers, they were the invigilators. Where was he then? Huh? Where was he when in 1964 I was going to Ghana to discuss African affairs with the likes of Kwame Nkrumah of Ghana, Kenneth Kaunda of Zambia, and Kamuzu Banda of Malawi? Where was he? See, I won't allow this lying though. I'm going to consult my lawyer to arraign Ikem in court. He will sweat. He will sweat. Huh?
Deopa, please, calm down. Calm down. Tell me what happened. Ikem, I know is a good person in this village. And I have never seen him quarrel with anybody.
I will be the first person to quarrel with him. Yes! Who is Ikem? Huh? Even in the palace, he has turned into opposition, opposing every decision we have taken. Can you imagine that? It's a clear law that whoever fires a member of the royal palace will be stoned to death. And the verdict turned out that the girl who fought the princess must be stoned to death.
Deopa, please, don't even go there.
Go away.
That's an age-long tradition.
What do you mean? So
much has changed. If you stone that girl to death, you are taking laws into your hand, and government will come after you.
Don't tell me now.
There are other punishments you can make up to her instead of stoning.
Ndoga, it seems you have turned into an opposer.
I am not turning.
Join the opposition. That's what I can say. But I tell you, when I consult my lawyer, who is ready for all of you, you're going to sing a song in court. You'll be in the dock crying. That time, the eyes of all of you will clear. I assure you that.
What I'm saying is that even if you have to, even if what's his name, he came offend you, you shall allow me fight him and not you.
Hi, Chinaza. I was on my way to your house. Thank God I met you.
What is it?
Your friend Ego Ibo is in trouble. You are where she fought with the princess.
Yes, I know about it.
That fight has landed her into trouble. So go to wherever she is now and tell her to leave this community as soon as possible.
But why? Why will she leave?
I had to steal her from the house. I overheard my uncle telling my father that it has been concluded that Ego Ibo must be stoned to death.
What? Is your Kute?
I'm sure by now they must be looking for her.
Hey! Ego Ibo, thank you very much, eh?
Please. This should be between us.
Good day, Ini. Good day.
How is he doing?
He's just there.
It's okay. Ada said I should give you this money to help you take care of him.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. What's up for me?
Just a matter of time to look. Yeah, the same. How do we get to Ego Ibo's house? The Igwe want to see him. Like, it's urgent.
I don't know the exact place. It's only my sick brother and Emeka that knows the place.
How do we get to Emeka's house?
What? There's no problem.
No, not at all. No problem.
Are you sure? Okay. Come, let me show you the direction.
Zuna, sorry, eh?
Have you seen what Izuna costs for me? Eh? Tell me, where do I go from here now?
Just go. Go anywhere you can, but you must leave this community now. My father told me it's an abomination to lay a hand on anyone from the royal home, and that person must be stoned to death.
Stone? No, not my sister. Just go in there, pick anything you can lay your hands on, and just leave right away, please.
Okay.
Ego, come out, please. You're wasting time. You have to leave.
You are looking for Ego Ibo.
This is not Ego Ibo's house.
You say?
Meaning what?
Meaning that you're in the wrong place. Ego Ibo does not live here. Yeah, and you, why did you bring them to this place? You are aware that this is not our father's house. Why did you bring them here?
Nothing, no. They just asked me to come and show them where Ego Ibo is, and meanwhile, with the way you people are looking for her, is there any problem?
The Igwe asked us to bring her to the palace because of that fight with the princess.
It's all lies. We are aware they want to stone her to death just because of a fight.
Guinea?
Yes. That's it.
We are not here for all these long stories. Where is the young lady?
She's not here. Go and look for her in her father's house.
She's not there. She's not here.
She does not
Go to
here.
her father's house.
Go and look for her in her father's house.
Enter there. Enter. She must come out too. She must come out. Search inside.
Search under that bed. You must say go. You go to sleep.
Search the other side. At the back. Right here.
Is this her father's house?
At the back. Are you sure? Yeah? You didn't see her? You searched under the bed. You didn't see her? Well.
I'll be back for you.
I know, Jenny. We're waiting for you. Hey, you must see her. Are you asking why did you bring them here?
Where is she?
Ego. Ego Ibo. Did you see her? Where is she? Hey, I hope.
I didn't know why they just asked me to come out. I didn't know anything.
Pull her to death.
Hey!
Where is my sister?
Ego!
I just have to go. This is too much on me. Please let me just.
No, Ego, no. You can't possibly live like that. Izuna is critically ill, and it will be so unfair of you to live without seeing him.
Emeka, I am running out of my father's land because of Izuna. I fought the princess because of Izuna. Besides, who even knows what is wrong with him? As it stands right now, I would really love to see Izuna, but I just can't. I am scared of my life, and I need
just tell us where you are going to in case we want to see you.
I do not know where I'm going to, but I pray the gods of our land lead me through. I want you all to know that all these crimes they are accusing me of, I did not commit any one of them. I thought I was fighting for something that belongs to me. I know that was wrong.
I will miss you, my friend.
Love is pain, love is pain. Yeah. Someone you love so much can hurt you. Someone you love can disappoint you. Someone you trust can hurt you and keep you out the middle of the road.
Yeah. But how can the king order us to look for a girl that we don't know? He should have at least asked the princess to follow us. After all, she's the one that fought with the girl and knows the girl. DJ there.
How can they even conclude that the girl is I'm not part of that tradition. So, if the princess insults me and I give her a go to her, that is this slap. They will arrange me for stealing, even when my name is not Stephen.
Which Stephen are you talking about?
The one in the Bible, of course. Besides, plenty people are stolen in the Bible. Well, let's go and do our own concern. I think I know the whole. When we see her, we take her to the palace. We'll still play her.
Are you sure you know her?
Yeah.
Let's go. Hey, stop here. Who are you and where are you going by this time of the night?
I was told that my grandmother died this night, so I was rushing to go and see her dead body before she will be buried.
Why don't you wait tomorrow? Don't you know anything can happen to you?
Yes, you're right. It's just that my grandmother told me so many secrets she wanted me to share with my cousin in case anything happens. Besides, she never wanted her dead body to be taken to the mortuary. So I need to get there before they take her body there. I know that something can happen to me, but I just need to get there fast.
Okay, do you know any girl called Ego Ibo?
Huh?
Do you know any girl called Ego Ibo in this
village? The only one I know, she's from Udenu village. She's tall, she's fair, but I don't think I've seen her for some days now.
So, can you take us there?
Eh?
How can you tell her to take us there? Don't expect her to leave where she's going just to take us there. Don't worry. Look for her to go. You can go.
Thank you.
Who is she? We saw her walking along the road at night. We suspected her movement and stopped her. She lied that she's from Deepening village. We brought her in here so she can tell us the truth. Because some of the problems we are having in this land are some of these girls who connive with thieves in our land.
Some of these young girls have women. So we brought her here so that she can tell us more better where she was embarking on Last night before we got her.
Are you Edo?
Are you deaf? Can't you speak? Speak!
Now listen. I will not ask you this again. Are you the idiot that fought the princess?
You?
Wait.
Your Highness.
I must commend you, boys. You are doing a good job in this kingdom.
Thank you, Your Highness.
She is not a criminal, but she is on my wanted list. You can go. Let me deal with her case.
Thank you, Your Highness. Igwe.
Perhaps welcome. Move!
Let me respect the fact that you're royalty. Let me respect you because you are a woman like me. If not, I would have sent you out of my father's house. My brother is sick. Ego Yibo is facing your father and the elders of this community, and she must be stoned to death because she fought you. Why are you so concerned about Izunna? Ego Yibo was fighting for her rights. Can't you understand?
Izunna, if you don't handle what was given to you very well, someone else will do that for you. I came to your family as a friend. I never dated your brother. That he has a girlfriend does not stop him from associating with other people. What gave that silly thing the right to lay her cursed hands on me, a princess like me?
You should know that sometimes women act according to their thoughts. She thought that by doing what she did, she could be able to separate the chaff from the beans. Adora, Ego Yibo is a nice girl, and she has been through a lot since her childhood.
I don't care if she was raised from the pit of hell. I don't care. Some girls should know when to draw the line. Well, the truth is that I didn't tell my father. Some other people did, and I have to go with their decision.
Okay. It's alright. What's your plan on Izunna? As you can see, he's sick. Are you still...
Izunna is a cross. I have to carry. I will do everything possible to make him well again, even if it means spending my last kobo. I have come to love him very much. And as for that silly girl, in her next miserable world, she will learn to look before she will. Take the money and take care of your brother. I'll take him away when I'm done with my plans.
Chisom, where's your father? Inside. Call him. Oh, look up.
Yeah, bro.
Thank you very much. Ikem thought he could chew me like cola in the palace.
Ikem again?
Ikem. I'm going to jail Ikem. I'll get him jailed. Huh? Oh, what does he think he is? What impunity? Huh? I had an altercation with him in the palace. You see, the evil done by Ikenga and his daughter is now haunting them.
Which Ikenga?
Ikenga that was owing you money now, before he died. The father of the stupid girl who fought the princess. Huh?
You mean Igbo?
What am I doing with her? Huh? The issue came because the girl was trying to escape. Then she ran into Vigilance boys who dragged her to the palace. When the issue was being argued, he came forward the declaration someday. Can you imagine that impunity, that audacity? Eh? See, I'm going to deal with Ikem. He was attacking me right, left and center at the palace. Eh? Oh, I won't allow this lying though. Chisom, go to my room, lift the pillow, you'll see my diary. Bring it. Bring it! Yes. I must consult my old lawyer to deal with this matter. To bring up charges against Ikem. Charges upon charges. I'll make sure at the end he goes to jail. Go and bring it.
Please, Ikem did not know all you knew. Besides, he never worked to the white people, and he's not even a first Republican politician. But please, don't call your old lawyer for me. Just forgive, please.
Are you hearing your daughter? If someone as small as your daughter could know a lot about my credentials, then why not Ikem? Who is it not to know me in this community? Eh? I'm insisting I must deal with him. I must deal with him. Eh?
He cheated.
Eh?
Please, calm down.
Oh, you think I'm playing? I'm joking.
Calm down. Don't mind Ikem and his stupidity. Oh, what I can call he's just a child. I told you last time, leave Ikem for me if need be. Chisom, go inside. Get in that fresh palm wine. Let me calm them down.
Anybody who could muster the guts to come and challenge me is no longer a small boy.
They are gonna have.
No. It's the high time I dealt with Ikem, so I'm unbenable.
And who are you people?
We are here to see the king.
The king?
Yes.
What for?
We are from this community. Or is the palace restricted to some people?
And who do I tell the king that wants to see him?
Tell him his people want to see him.
In that case, let me inform the king. Wait.
Your Highness, you are the highest authority in this kingdom. You have the right to stop and to start. Ego is the only sibling in her family. She is a child that never knew who her mother was. And the mother's older sister. Please, save her from this issue.
Woman, you have spoken well.
But I still have the kingmakers who decide on certain rules in this kingdom. Ego committed an abomination. I am not saying this because my daughter was involved. But people have lost respect to traditional institutions.
Your Highness, Ego is only but a child. Please have mercy on all of us. We have the kingmakers, but you are still our king. Ego is my cousin. My mother and I cautioned her the day we heard she fought with the princess. Please, Your Highness. Please, I'm begging you. Killing her is not the best option.
Are you here to teach me the best option of what? We have certain rules that deals with such situations, and that's what must apply. As for that girl, she must be stoned.
No!
To serve as a deterrent to others. I have spoken. It may please you to hear my hammer. Do I make myself clear? I said leave my palace. Do you want me to send you guys? Yes,
The king wants to see you. Now.
We've concluded that you will die by stoning. We don't want to know why you did what you did. You fought the princess of this kingdom and brought this kingdom to public disrepute. And from our investigation, we found out you fought the princess because of a man. You had the guts to slap her, tore her royal garment, and absconded, thinking that the long arm of law will not catch up with you. Young woman, you must die.
Your Highness, the decision may have been taken. Come and ask one where they will be gone. I am pleading on her behalf. Let us listen to her. After all, sometime in the past when Okonkwo slapped the king's wife to death, she was allowed to talk. Yes. I mean, she told her version of the story. Why can't we listen to her? Please, let us listen to her.
We will not sit here to listen to any story. Igwe has spoken, so shall it be.
Dikeh said is true.
Oh.
But please, let me just say one word.
Which is?
I've come to realize that in life, nothing is worth fighting for. I committed an abomination. I know that you all have made your decisions. But please, my fathers, before I die, I need to forgive Izuna. We both took an oath at the Zomiri River, where we vowed to love each other till death. If only I knew. If only I was told that fighting for a man I thought belonged to me would cause my death.
You both took an oath at his own deity?
Yes, Chief.
Hey.
As I speak, Izuna is dying. I had to go back to the river to cross him. Please, my fathers, I need to go back to the deity to make an appeal on his behalf. We're all humans. Please. Nobody can watch what belongs to him or her being snatched away. Please, my fathers, it is better for me to die so Izuna can live.
Why?
He is an only son. His lineage should continue. I'm an only daughter. My father did not have any male children. Please, my fathers, allow me go back to the deity to make an appeal on his behalf. Please, so Izuna can live his life. I know tradition must be kept. But please, my fathers, it would be wicked of me to allow Izuna to die. Please, let me go back and revert it. Since tradition has taken its stance on me, I have no other option. But if there's any way I can be forgiven, please, my fathers, please, temper justice with mercy.
The girl wants to see you.
Which girl?
The girl that was locked up.
You mean Egoibo?
Yes, my princess.
I see. What for?
The girl has been crying and begging. She said she wants to see you before she dies.
I've heard you come.
My princess, please, you can come see her. Come and see her. And don't.
Yes. What is it?
Please, I want to ask you for a favor.
What favor?
My princess, please, I want you to forgive me. I'm a woman like you. Please, see me as your sister. I now realize that I'm at fault. But you have to understand that I've always lived a life of trouble. Ever since my mother died while giving birth to me. People always took what belonged to me because they know that no one will speak for me. Do you know that my father died because of Izuna?
How?
Izuna is the only man I've ever known. We have come a long way. We shared lots of things together. Izuna will always rescue me whenever I was in trouble. He will protect me, especially when the boys will want to bully me. I thought he loved me. So,
I don't know what to do again. I'm frustrated. My mother is dying by the day and Mazioko has refused to touch her until I deposit some money. Eh? What do? I've sold 2 lands already. I've gone, I've begged, I've pleaded with people. Nobody's ready to help. I can't just stand by and watch my mother die now.
stop lamenting, don't worry, eh? Your mother will not die. Actually, my father kept some money inside. He wanted to use it to offset his debt to Mazi Nduka. But I'll give you the money so your mother can leave. Mazi Nduka can wait, eh?
Are you sure?
Just don't worry, hold on, let me quickly get the money, okay?
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay.
Please rush to Mazioko's place. Just go now.
God will bless you.
Yes, go. I gave him the money my father kept in the house. And that singular act killed my father.
You mean you did all this for him? And your father died as a result of this?
I watched my father die slowly. And I could not tell him that I knew where the money was. When I started seeing you with Izuna, I got so angry. I was jealous. I felt you had come to use your royalty to take him away from me. And the only thing that came to my mind as at that time was to fight you. I also took an oath with Izuna. And that's exactly why he's bedridden.
My God. You did what?
Yes. I had to curse him. I had to cry to this Zomiri deity. How could Izuna treat me that way? You know, I had gone to apologize to him because of what I did to you. But Izuna beat me up that day. And that is why I had to curse him.
Izuna never told me all this. He said you're just a friend. A family friend, yes. But honestly, I didn't have anything to do with him as of then. Not until you began to show. I took Izuna as my own blood brother. Until you came and slapped me. You see, my dear, fighting does not solve any issue. If you had used dialogue, all this wouldn't have happened. But I blame Izuna. You should have told me your relationship with him. I mean, the truth about the relationship with him.
Please, please. My sister, forgive me. I made a mistake. Please. And like I told the elders, I have also forgiven Izuna. I want to die in this place. So please help me talk to your father so that I can go back to the river and make an appeal on his behalf. Please.
Nothing will happen to you. You are like a sister to me. Please stop crying. It's okay, I've forgiven you.
Please. If you love Izuna, you can go ahead. I've seen that sometimes you fight for people who don't truly care for you.
My dear, Izuna is yours. And I will make sure he remains yours forever.
Izuna cannot be mine. Have you forgotten? I will be stoned soon. The tradition has taken its stand on me. But I'm glad that you've forgiven me. Thank you so much, my princess. Thank you.
Father, please, I beg of you. The tradition is right. But you have the power to say a word. And the people will obey, especially when it has to do with human blood. Please, my father. She has asked me for forgiveness, and I have forgiven her. Remember, you told me that the greatest thing in life is forgiveness. Please, my father. She has even forgiven the young man that caused all this trouble. Please, Father, I beg you.
I will discuss with my cabinet. I will not assure you she will be free, but I will try my best. I will try my best.
Thank you, Father. Though you did not make a promise to me, but I know my Father. I know you're a good man with a good heart. Thank you.
Wipe your tears.
Thank you, Father.
How are you? I want to say the king.
I can come.
May the peace of the Lord be with you all.
You're welcome, Father.
Thank you. I came in respect of Ego Igbo. I want to humbly plead on her behalf. I am the parish priest of St. Patrick's. And it will be a thing of honor if you people can do me this favor.
Reverend Father, how dare you back into the circle of powerfully titled people like us here? You think ours is a mean title? When I was taking my oath, I had to travel from Tapele to the east in Nollywood transport, Dikeh to March. So it's not a mean title. How do you bite into just like that? Look at our heads. Eh? Look at the castle. Look at the red cap. Is there no stark difference? You might be there right now. Right? Be very careful. Have respect for elders. Have respect for title people. Don't dare do it next time.
I am sincerely sorry, my elders. I have never come here to disrupt your discussion. It's just that I was sad when I was told about your decision to stone somebody who was hired just in the name of tradition.
Good for the matter. Okay, you have tradition in your church. Represented by this your ordinary, as far as I'm concerned, this is ordinary clothing material. Then our own is personified, identified by what is danger. Like I told you, if I so desire, I just cast a charm on you. Don't do it next time. There's a difference. Respect others, respect titled people. Respect us, please.
Listen, Obana. I'm not going to listen. If this card is taken from you, you see that there is no difference between you and those that sell drugs at the back. I'm coming. I'm not going to talk. I'm coming. Listen to me. Because I told you, the way you address them is upward. Let me talk. How can I attack a man of God? What I'm saying that this man here this woman here is a man of God. Yes. There are so many rules that have to be abridged. It's none of them. Let me give you an example. Slave trade was abolished. Killing of twins was abolished. As a matter of fact, we have every reason to listen to you. We must listen to this man. Your Highness, our priest standing before us is a very young man.
Yes.
Ego Igbo, equally, is a young woman.
Yes.
Yes. They are not saying they don't. They are not embraced in the traditions and customs of our people.
You're making a point.
Oh, yes.
They are too small.
So please, let us tender justice with mercy. You said you are from the country.
Yes,
The moment you stepped into this palace, I knew that I am going to forgive I respect God a lot. Yes, I respect God. You see, you give to Caesar what is Caesar.
Yeah.
And what belongs to God, you give it to God.
So go, your sin has been forgiven.
Yes. Thank you so much, Igwe. Thank you, my elders.
Yes.
I want to assure you that for the fact that you have respected God today, God will in return respect you all. And as far as He lives, His blessings will forever remain with you all. Thank you so much. Please, may I see her?
Oh, you can. God.
You go on and follow my remember my from my wall.
I think to go.
Monitor him very well.
Thank you very much.
Don't give them gap.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I see. The good Lord has set you free. You see, love is good, but the love of Christ is the best of all. We can only do our best as humans, but God does the spiritual. I want you to bear no grudge against anybody, even as you leave this place. Make Christ your Lord from today and watch Him organize your steps. And one more thing. Look for Chisom, Doka's daughter. She cried to me and asked me to come to your rescue. I mean, if not for her, I wouldn't have known all this.
Thank you, Father.
May the Lord be with you. The King has set you free.
Father.
Yes. So stand up, bring your Bible for me. Stand up. It's okay, my dear.
Thank you, Father.
It's okay, my dear.
Thank you.
May the Lord be with you. It's okay.
Izuna, my friend.
Ogini.
No, this is not.
What happened?
Izuna has left us. Izuna.
Where is he?
Izuna has left us.
My friend. God, this is not happening. This is not happening, God. Izuna! Is this you? What?
Thank God you are alive, Izuna. It is this same girl you wanted to abandon because of riches that brought you back to life. After all she went through because of you. Her father died because she took a risk so your mother could live. Even when I came into the picture, you told me that she's just a family friend. Just because of a loaf of bread. We should all learn to respect our relationships.
Listen, I thought I was fighting for something that belonged to me. I never knew it was just a mirage. I know how I fought to keep our relationship alive. But thank God I did not die. Not to worry, Zuna. The oath has been destroyed. I now realize that I have no future with you. Because you think I'm a nobody. It is well with you, Zuna. Isn't it? You're still my sister.
Hey!
Let's go.
I told you to be very careful. That sometimes what we are holding is better than what we don't have. So listen to everybody. Listen to you and I. I hate friends that do not listen to advice.
Nigerian